Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, 17th of September, and although it looks lovely and sunny today, it is very apparent that we are now into autumn. It was only 7 degrees this morning, and although I've got my t-shirt on, we're only up to 16 degrees at the moment. So yeah, it is thinking about what to do next. With that in mind, it is now time to think about your autumn plans, or autumn winter plans I should say, and also thinking about what is happening with the year or next year ahead. So here I've got the Brussels sprouts looking nice and big, first year growing those, and an autumn job that does need doing whilst we've got plenty of weight going on. Oh, you can hear the donkeys. Is that these actually need staking, so I'm going to have to put some bamboo canes in them and just tie them up, because otherwise the weight will pull them over. And you can see that there's some good, some decent size Brussels starting to form, so I need to get those staked, but also got some caterpillars on there, so need to try and get rid of them before they end up devouring everything that's in their path. Oh look, and aphid as well. So yeah, job that needs doing. Well, I've been through this morning, done a load of weeding, because again, where we've been so dry and then had these cooler wet spell for the start of September, is absolutely loads of weed has come up. You can see so much stinging nettle has sort of self-seeded and germinated, so that is also got to be done. The purple sprouting broccoli, we had some last night. It was like eating wood. It was absolutely awful, so yeah, might as well just take the last of those out and clear the remainder of this bed. There's a couple of onions left in there, so they can come out. And then this bed here, this will be one of my new planting areas for probably the garlic, I think. Got a bit of work to do here. In the pumpkin area, I have already cut down the sweet corn. So I've got the canes, I don't know, do you call them canes? Sweet corn stems there. So sweet corn's all been chopped down, and I've started clearing the leaves from the vines and off the or around the pumpkins, just to try and get some more sunlight to the pumpkins, because I'm well aware that well, they're not going to be growing anymore, but we do need the pumpkins to ripen, need them to harden, and harden quickly so that they don't get damaged when this weather does turn. And the idea, well, my idea is, all things being equal, that I will cut the pumpkins start of October, and then that gives them a bit of time just to rest. But before that, I need them to just to naturally ripen if they can do so. By clearing the leaves, just going to allow that air movement, which will help keep them dry and hopefully harden up better. Courgettes bed, got the last couple really to pick. There's a few more of the golden ones left around the other side, so the rest will then be cut and removed, and so all I'll end up with in this bed is this sweet corn, which this one is the popcorn type, which name escapes me, but it's a brightly coloured one, first time growing it, so I'd like to think that we'll get some crop on that. Had a couple of the cabbage already, probably will pull a few more of the parsnips, so that's that large leaf there. Have been through the dahlia bed this morning, just cutting out some of the gone over flowers. And again, you kind of notice that as soon as the weather changes and we get this wetter, cooler period, the flowers go over so much faster. I've missed a broken stem in there. Flowers go over so much faster, you end up with them going a bit grimy. They get botrytis, and you've got to keep on top of them. This area, so the squash area, much like the pumpkins, I'll need to start thinning some of this foliage so that I can get some of the sunlight down to the butternut squash, because otherwise they won't ripen. And then I've got the runner beans, which, I mean, quite frankly, we've had a month of just eating beans, and everyone's getting a little bit fed up of them. But hopefully, probably another decent couple of picks and they'll be gone, and then this frame will come down. I need to think about what to do with these chrysanthemums, so I might actually end up lifting these once we get into the October time and think about doing some cuttings. So haven't spoken too much about this yet because I don't know what's happening, but there is a chance that I might not have this plot next year. So whilst I'm trying to do a bit of prep work and think about forward planning, it's also quite difficult because I'm not quite sure what the forward planning might consist of. So look at that, that's looking well brittle. It's pretty hard, so yeah. Anyway, that's I suppose a mid-September roundup. Yeah, that's it. So I thought actually, you know, make a change to do a middle of the month update. Not for any real reason other than the fact that once you get into September, there's actually a lot of stuff that needs to be done. You've got a lot of tidying up to do, a lot of thinking and planning. And aside from being up here, I've also started doing a bit of prep work at home. So doing a bit more seed sowing just to get those last crops done. So there's some rocket has gone in, or some rocket seed. Do you know what? I can't. Oh, rocket pak choi. There's might be some more cabbage has gone in as seed. Well, they're plants now, and cauliflower. So those seeds or seedlings are doing all right, and they'll be for planting out for harvesting next year on the basis that I still have this plot. I might, when I say I might not have this plot, I might not have this plot permanently, but probably long enough to be able to do the harvesting. And there is a plan that the allotments will move over that way. Yeah, as I say, we are middle of September, so I've also got to think about where on earth I'm going to start clearing and getting tidy for all the onions and all the garlic. So little things that you need to have a think about and have that plan so that you're not going to have bare areas or unproductive areas within your allotment for too long. So anyway, that's a little video for you. I will do one as normal come 1st of October, just so you can see what's happening. But until then, if you've got any questions, then just ping them over to me. I'll always answer whatever you send to me. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Always nice to have new people coming on board. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you can you can see everything that I'm doing and you're not missing out, more importantly, on what I am doing and what I have done. And until next time, just enjoy this lovely weather whilst it lasts. See you soon. Bye for now.